Hello YouTube. Welcome to my watchmaking channel. In today's video, I'd like to do a tutorial on how to properly remove a spring-loaded bezel and how to do a watch case replacement. If you saw my last video, you may know that I made this Tudor-style dive watch, but I destroyed the bezel when I tried to figure out how the bezel mechanism works. I thought this watch bezel had a click spring inside the bezel, so I tried to pry it open, but this bezel uses another type of mechanism that doesn't require prying. I researched on the internet and could not find any tutorials on how to uninstall this kind of bezel, so I decided to make one myself. So what I'm going to do first is that I need to remove the spring that is holding the bezel and the case in place. It's this tiny spring that's creating tension between the case and the bezel. So what I'm going to do is grab my tweezers and I'm going to pry out the spring with gentle force. And just slide my tweezers through the groove, give yourself some patience, and it comes out very easily. And I am going to keep pushing, and the whole thing comes out. I actually prefer this type of bezel because I won't leave any scratches on the case. I don't want to throw away these small parts because I might want to switch back to a GMT bezel in the future. Okay, now what we are going to do is to put this bezel back. Right now it kind of wobbles because I didn't place the spring back. And now we need to reinstall the spring. It's even easier to reinstall the spring. Just have a plastic prying tool at hand and push the spring back into the grooves. And it's that simple. And now it turns without any clicks. And I will lubricate it a little bit because the turn action still feels a little dull. A tiny bit of oil will do the trick. Pretty straightforward. Maybe a little bit from the side too. Okay, so after installing the case, we can try to put back the bezel insert. Since it's a smooth mechanism, we don't really need to align the indices. You can just drop it in like that and press it against the case firmly. Now we have to remove the watch strap. It's a NATO strap, so it's very easy to remove. I will pry open this plastic one. It's for you to see what it looks like. This is a 3D printed bezel. Looks very floppy compared to the metal one. This old case looks horrible. But anyway, I got a new case for the movement. So what I'm going to do is unscrew the case back. And inside is the NH38 movement. So first I got to remove this case back, and then I'll try to remove the movement. And that's it. Make sure the movement sits firmly inside the case. Okay, that's looking good. And make sure the indices align. It looks perfect. And then we can install the strap again. And that's looking amazing. This is looking good. Okay, the bezel turns both directions. It's a very classic Tudor Pelago style diver. Wow. Okay, this is it for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to apply a watch logo on a watch face, and I will still use this watch for the tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more watchmaking content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have.